Are you pouring time and money into marketing, yet your prospects still look thin? It's frustrating when new customers feel random, and you're left wondering who to target and what to say. Each month feels like starting from scratch, rather than building on warm, ready-to-buy relationships. Meanwhile, your competitors are quietly collecting emails, nurturing trust, and closing deals that you never see. This situation leads to ad spend bleeding without a list, and sales calls that start cold and end even colder. The longer this continues, the harder it becomes to hit your targets and forecast growth. But don't worry. There's a simple, step-by-step lead creation system that can turn strangers into customers consistently. This system is designed to help you build a solid foundation for your marketing efforts, ensuring that you're not just throwing money at ads without a clear strategy. By following these steps, you can create a reliable pipeline of leads that are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Let's dive into the first step of this transformative process. The first step is to define your ideal customer profile and identify their top pain points. Understanding who your target audience is will allow you to tailor your messaging effectively. Once you have a clear picture of your ideal customer, choose a lead magnet that promises a fast win that they actually want. This could be anything from a checklist to a mini guide, but it should resonate with their needs and desires. This foundational step sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, it's time to create the lead magnet itself. Focus on developing a resource that is centered around one specific outcome, ensuring that it is free of fluff. Whether it's a template, a checklist, or a calculator, the key is to provide real value that addresses your audience's pain points. This lead magnet should be enticing enough to encourage prospects to share their contact information, paving the way for further engagement. Once your lead magnet is ready, the next step is to build a clean landing page. This page should have a single call to action, a compelling headline, and 3 clear benefits for your lead magnet. Additionally, including a testimonial or proof point can significantly enhance credibility and encourage sign-ups. The landing page is your opportunity to convert visitors into leads, so make sure it's visually appealing and easy to navigate. Now that you have your landing page set up, it's time to drive targeted traffic to it. Start with one channel, whether it's search ads, LinkedIn, or partner shoutouts. Focus on mastering this channel before layering in additional strategies like SEO and social media. By concentrating your efforts, you can better track what works and optimize your approach for maximum effectiveness. Capturing leads is crucial, and this can be done through a short form on your landing page. Implement a double opt-in process to ensure deliverability and maintain a clean email list. Additionally, tag segments by interest or intent to personalize your follow-up communications. This step is vital for nurturing relationships and ensuring that your leads feel valued and understood. Once you've captured leads, it's time to nurture them with a well-crafted email sequence. Start by delivering the lead magnet, then teach a valuable tip, share a relevant case study, handle any objections, and finally, offer a clear next step. This sequence should be designed to build trust and keep your leads engaged, guiding them closer to making a purchase decision. As your leads interact with your emails and content, it's important to score their engagement. Track metrics such as opens, clicks, and page views to gauge interest levels. When leads hit a certain threshold of engagement, trigger timely outreach or demos to capitalize on their interest. This proactive approach can significantly increase your chances of converting leads into customers. Finally, measure and iterate on your efforts weekly. Track key performance indicators like conversion rates, cost per lead, open and click rates, and customer acquisition cost to lifetime value ratio. By analyzing this data, you can identify what's working and double down on those strategies. Continuous improvement is essential for long-term success in your lead generation efforts. Remember, the goal of this lead creation system is not just to generate leads, but to build lasting relationships with your customers. By understanding their needs and providing value at every stage of the journey, you can foster loyalty and encourage repeat business. This approach not only helps in closing sales but also turns customers into advocates for your brand. In today's fast-paced market, it's crucial to remain adaptable. Consumer preferences and behaviors can change rapidly, so staying attuned to these shifts will help you refine your strategies. Regularly solicit feedback from your leads and customers to understand their evolving needs. This adaptability will ensure that your marketing efforts remain relevant and effective. Utilizing technology can greatly enhance your lead generation efforts. Consider investing in marketing automation tools that can streamline your processes, from capturing leads to nurturing them through email sequences. These tools can save you time and allow you to focus on creating high-quality content and building relationships with your audience. Consistency is key in marketing. By regularly producing valuable content and engaging with your audience, you can establish your brand as a trusted authority in your industry. This consistency not only helps in building relationships but also keeps your brand in the forefront for your potential customers. Make it a habit to review and refine your strategies regularly to maintain this momentum. Implementing this step-by-step lead creation system can transform your marketing efforts and help you consistently turn strangers into customers. By defining your ideal customer, creating valuable lead magnets, and nurturing relationships, you can build a sustainable pipeline of leads. There is an awesome tool called LeadCreator that is the complete package tool that will be able to implement all the strategies mentioned in this video. Just click on the link below to be able to quickly take action in building your leads today. Start defining your ideal customer and create that lead magnet. Your future customers are waiting.